big old black walnut tree right there, y'all. And we got another one over there, wasn't our biggest one, the oldest one, but it was an old one. And we got some pretty good damage. Well, we just got the big tree down in our yard. Thank goodness it didn't hit nothing. She should put it out here checking it out. She's got it already. This tree's just gonna have to lay for a day or two. We'll move it at night time. I'll trim that baby down. I'll bring you some more on it, guys. Oh yeah, another big thunderstorm rolled through last night, y'all. DLC y'all too. Yeah.